Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Vivo S1 versus a Huawei P30 Lite, and this phone comes with a high silicon Kirin 710 processor with the 4GB RAM, while the Vivo S1 comes with a new MediaTek Helio P65 processor with a 6GB RAM. So let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and Vivo S1 is having a new phone from Vivo that actually comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display. And Vivo S1 is faster, and Huawei P30 Lite is still taking some time. And now it is also run about 2 or 4 second difference between both of these phones. Everything is closed up in the background, phone dialer, and faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, and Vivo S1 is right behind. Next up is the settings, and faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, and Vivo S1 is right behind. And you can see next application is the mic lock, faster. That was about the same on both phones. Very hard to tell who is going to be the fastest one. The calendar, and again that was about the same on both phones. So launching some more application like the calculator, and faster just a tiny bit on the Huawei P30 Lite. Vivo S1 is right behind. You guys are the judge of the speed test. So launching some more application, my files, and that was about the same on both phones. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and faster on the Vivo S1, and Huawei is right behind, and you can see 1 second difference there. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and Vivo S1 is again faster there, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind, about 1 second difference there. Last game application is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. And Vivo S1 is faster, but I accidentally touched the screen, so that is why it is huge faster, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. And you can see, and so last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and faster on the Vivo S1, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. So launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo Internet versus a Google Chrome on the P30 Lite, and show you guys what is the speed in internet browser on both phones. And I've launched the internet browser on both phones, and the first website is the wikipedia.org. Here we go. And same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and Vivo S1 is just a tiny bit faster there, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind. And you can see looking very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Next up is the apple.com on both phones, and Vivo S1 is faster, and but the content is show first on the Huawei P30 Lite, so that is a draw thing in this website speed. And you can see looking very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and a 4GB RAM on the Huawei P30 Lite versus a 6GB RAM on the Vivo S1. So let's see who is the best in the RAM management. And that got refresh on the Vivo S1, and the first application is refresh on the Vivo S1 so far. And let's see, and that got refresh on the Huawei P30 Lite. And last is having a internet browser on both phones. And you can see, and overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Vivo S1, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind to the Vivo S1. RAM management is not perfect on both phones. One is application is refresh on both phones. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo S1 versus a Huawei P30 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.